Hello students, we are going to continue the examples in the miscellaneous exercise 6a. Okay. Now here it is example number 16. By computing the shortest distance, determine whether the lines are intersect or not. Here we know that if the shortest distance between line is 0, then the lines are intersect, and the formula for the shortest distance, here given lines, it is r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda b1 bar, and second line is r bar is equal to a2 bar plus mu b2 bar. Then the shortest distance between them, it is mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Okay, here see carefully. Here here it is a question is, by computing the shortest distance, okay, verify these lines are intersect or not. If the shortest distance between them is 0, then lines are intersect. Okay, first we find the shortest distance by using this formula. Okay, see carefully. Now given lines, it is r bar is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap plus lambda into 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, here it is equation number 1. Therefore we can write here a1 is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and b1 is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and second line is r bar is equal to 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap plus mu into I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. It is equation number 2. Therefore we can write here it is a2 bar 2 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap, and b2 bar is equal to I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay, here it is given two lines. From the given line we find a1, a2, b1 and b2, and it is the shortest distance between two lines. It is mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. First we find a2 bar minus a1 bar, then find b1 cross b2, and then its magnitude. Okay, now we find first a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 bar minus a1 bar, it is a2 and it is a1. 2I minus I, it is I cap. 2j minus j, it is a plus j cap, and minus 3k minus k, that is minus 3k plus k, it is a minus 2k cap. It is a2 bar minus a1 bar, and we find b1 bar cross b2 bar. See carefully, it is I cap, j cap, and it is k cap. Okay, then b1, it is b1, 2 minus 1 1, b2 it is 1 1 and minus 2. Now take a dot product, sorry, it is a cross product. I cap into 2 minus 1, it is a plus 2 minus 1, minus j cap into minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 minus 1, and plus k cap into 2 plus 1. See carefully, it is a 2 and plus 1. Now here we can write b1 cross b2. Therefore b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to, here it is a 2 minus 1 1, that is I cap, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, and minus j, it is a plus 5 j cap, and lastly plus 3 k cap. Here it is a value of b1 cross b2. We want to find a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 and magnitude of b1 cross b2. Then a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a2 minus a1 I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap dot I cap plus 5j cap plus 3 k cap. Now take a dot product. It is 1 plus 5 minus 6 and which is 0. And now see carefully here. A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2. It is a 0. That means the lines are intersect each other. But here question is asked by computing shortest distance. That means we want to find the shortest distance and then we write our answer. Okay. Here it is a condition for lines are intersect. A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar is equal to 0. Then lines are intersect. But here question is asked by computing shortest distance, determine the lines are intersect or not. So we find the shortest distance. For that we take the magnitude of B1 bar cross B2 bar. It is under root of 1 square plus 5 square plus 3 square, and it is under root 1 square plus 5 square, it is 26, and 26 plus 9, it is a 35. Okay, and therefore shortest distance between lines 1 and 2. Here we can write shortest distance, denote it is a distance, that is the shortest distance. A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 bar cross B2 bar whole to the upon magnitude of B1 cross B2. See carefully. Okay, and then it is 0 upon under root 35, and that means 0. And here distance between line is a 0, therefore lines are intersect each other. Distance is equal to 0 and therefore lines are intersect. Intersect each other here. See carefully. Now we see the next example. Here, if the distance between shortest distance between line is 0, then the lines are intersect. Now we see the second example. Second is all. By computing the shortest distance, determine whether the lines are intersect or not. Lines are, it is x minus 5 upon 4 is equal to y plus 1 upon 5. So it is x minus 5 and y minus 7. Y minus 7 upon 5 is equal to z plus 3 upon 5, and x minus 6 is equal to y minus 8 is equal to z plus 2. Okay, see carefully. These are the two lines. X minus 5 upon 4, y minus 7 upon 5, z plus 3 upon 5, x minus 6, y minus 8 and z plus 2. Now here given lines are in the Cartesian form, so we can use Cartesian method or vector method. Okay, here first we reduce this Cartesian equation in the form of vector and then find the shortest distance. Okay, here given lines. X minus 5 upon 4 is equal to y minus 7 upon 5 is equal to z plus 3 upon 5. It is equation number. Its vector form. See carefully. Its vector form. It is a Cartesian form. X minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. We want to write the equation of line in the vector form, that is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. A bar is a passing through point and here it is 5, 7 and minus 3. It is a passing through point. Okay, 5, 7 and it is minus 3. Therefore, its vector equation it is r bar is equal to passing through point 5 I cap plus 7 j cap and minus 3 k cap plus lambda into parallel vector. Parallel vector means the direction ratios. Okay, 4, 5 and 5. It is 4, 5, 5. Okay, it is 4, 5, 5. 4 I cap plus 5 j cap and plus 5 k cap. Okay, therefore we can write a bar is equal to 5 I cap plus 7 j cap minus 3 k cap and b bar is equal to 4 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 5 k cap. Okay, and second line is x minus 6 is equal to y minus 8 is equal to z plus 2. Okay, here this is equation number 2. See carefully. Here this equation can be written as x minus 6 upon 1 is equal to y minus 8 upon 1 and it is z plus 2 upon 1 are the direction ratios. Therefore, its vector form is, okay, here r bar is equal to passing through point 6, 8 and minus 2. Therefore, it is 6 I cap plus 8 j cap and minus 2 k cap plus mu into here I cap plus j cap and plus k cap. It is a vector form of the second line. Okay, therefore we can write a2 bar is equal to 6 I cap plus 8 j cap and minus 2 k cap and b2 bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now we find the shortest distance between these two lines, and the formula for the shortest distance it is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar. So first we find a2 bar minus a1 bar. Therefore we can write a2 bar minus a1 bar, a2 minus a1, that is 6i minus 5i, it is I cap, 8j minus 7j again plus j cap and minus 2k minus 3, that is a plus k cap. Okay, it is a2 bar minus a1 bar. Now we find b1 cross b2. I cap, j cap and k cap. Then b1 4, 5, 5. b2 1, 1, 1. And therefore it is I cap into 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 minus j cap into 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5 and plus k cap into 4 minus 5. Again it is 4 minus 5. Therefore b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0 I cap. Okay, then it is a minus 1 and it is minus j cap. It is a j cap and minus k cap. Okay, see carefully. Therefore we can find a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to a1 minus a2 I cap plus j cap and plus k cap dot j cap minus k cap is equal to, it is a 0 plus 1 minus 1, and that is 0. That is the dot product is 0. And then a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 is equal to 0. That means lines are intersect each other. Okay. But here by computing shortest distance, first we find the shortest distance. And magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar. It is magnitude. See carefully. 1 square plus minus 1 square. It is under root 2. Okay. And then shortest distance. Between line 1 and 2. Here it is a distance. a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon magnitude of b1 bar cross b2 bar, and then it is 0 upon under root 2. It is 0. That means shortest distance is 0, and shortest distance between line is a 0. Then lines are intersect, and therefore we can write lines are intersect each other. Okay. Here the question is asked only show that the lines are intersect each other. Then we can only satisfy this condition. a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 is equal to 0. If the question is asked show that the two lines, or the previous example, show that the two lines are intersect each other, then there is not necessary to find the distance between them. Only satisfy the condition, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0. It is a condition for the intersecting lines. Okay. Now we see the next example. Now next example, example number 17. If lines x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 4, and x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y plus m upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 1. Intersect each other. Then find m. Okay. Here these two lines are intersect each other. Therefore we use the condition a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to 0, or the value of determinant here a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2, okay, is equal to 0, and here a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2, it is a scalar triple product. So we can use also by using the determinant. This determinant is equal to 0, then the lines are the intersect each other. Okay. Here given lines x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to y plus 1 upon 3 is equal to z minus 1 upon 4. Therefore, x1, y1 and z1, it is 1 minus 1, 1, and a1, b1, c1, it is 2, 3 and 1, sorry 4. It is 2, 3, 4. And second line it is x minus 2 upon 1 is equal to y plus m upon 2 is equal to z minus 2 upon 1. Okay, here therefore you can write x2, y2 and z2 is equal to 2 minus m and 2, and a2, b2 and c2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Here lines are intersect. Each other. Okay. Therefore, we can directly write the determinant of this. It is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, and it is z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2 is equal to 0. Now put the all values of x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Therefore, here x2 minus x1, x2, it is a 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, minus m plus 1, minus m plus 1 and 2 minus 1. Here see carefully, x2 minus x1 minus m plus 1, that is y2 minus y1, and it is z2 minus z1. Then a1, b1, c1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. This is equal to 0. And then solve the determinant. 2 minus 1, it is a 1 into 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 minus m plus 1 into here 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, here 2 and it is minus 4, and plus 1 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. It is 4 minus 3. Here it is a 3 minus 8 minus m plus 1, it is minus, then it is a 2 minus 4, and lastly 1, 4 minus 3. Okay, now take the calculation. It is minus 3 minus 8, it is a minus 5, therefore it is minus 5. Then it is minus 2, minus 2 into this minus, it is a plus 2, plus 2 into these two terms, that is minus 2m and plus 2, and last it is 1, that is plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here minus 5 plus 2 plus 3, here see carefully, 3 and it is minus, it is a minus 2, minus 2m is equal to 0, therefore minus 2 is equal to 2m, and then m is equal to minus 1. See carefully, it is the value of m. Okay, here see carefully, if the lines are intersect, then this condition, or a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 is equal to 0. Okay, see carefully.